So last year in 2024, email marketing saw big updates with tools adjusting prices, adding new features and updating subscription tiers. So welcome to the best and the worst email marketing platforms of 2025. So I've tried and tested every single tool I mentioned in this video. And also good to note, this video is 100% unsponsored. No company paid me to say nice things about them.
I can say whatever the I want.
So what's the most simplistic or user-friendly email marketing tool? A few come to mind: Git, Substack and MailerLite. Git, for instance, feels incredibly intuitive. Everything is logically designed to minimize clicks, making tasks like setting up a giveaway or writing newsletters fast and straightforward. But then I discovered Flowdesk, which truly stands out as the simplest email marketing tool. And it's not just fast and easy to use, but also really competitively priced, offering unlimited newsletters, automations, landing pages, and sign-up forms. It's perfect for growing your list with freebies like ebooks. Flowdesk is my pick for the most user-friendly and simplistic email marketing tool. And by the way, if you sign up for any of these email marketing platforms using the links in the description below, it won't cost you anything extra and may even include a discount. As a thank you, you'll get free access to Email Marketing University, including my 12-page ebook, 50 to 100 daily newsletter signups, packed with actionable tips to grow your email list. So what's the best email marketing tool for newsletter businesses? So if you're planning to run a paid newsletter or sell sponsorship ads, 3 tools stand out. So we have Substack, Beehive, and Kit, formerly known as ConvertKit. Substack is ideal for beginners with its built-in reader network, driving 50% of free and 25% of paid subscriptions, helping you grow your audience. So Substack is free to use, taking only a 10% cut of paid subscriptions. So to see if your newsletter idea fits within Substack, explore Substack categories and leaderboards for successful newsletters. However, Substack doesn't offer sponsorship features. Beehive and Kit provide ad networks, connecting newsletters to advertisers. Kit charges 23.5% of sponsorship revenue, while Beehive doesn't charge fees and is more cost-effective for larger lists, potentially saving over $10,000 in 3 years compared to Kit. For free plans, Substack is free forever, charging only when you earn. Kit offers a free plan for up to 10,000 subscribers and claims no catch. But there is a catch. It requires you to promote other newsletters to your new subscribers, which I find a deal breaker. Beehive's free plan supports up to 2,500 subscribers and would be my first choice for those starting with sponsorships in mind. So what's the best email marketing tool for email automation? So most email tools offer basics like welcome email series or automations for link clicks or email opens. However, ActiveCampaign stands out for its flexibility and creativity, enabling businesses to automate complex workflows effortlessly. And it's not just 1 or 2 features that set ActiveCampaign apart. It's the hundreds of small, impactful ones. Example number 1, automations based on link clicks. So let's say I'm sending a newsletter promoting a podcast episode with links to sponsors and social media. If someone clicks the sponsor link, they're probably interested in that sponsor. With ActiveCampaign, I can enable link tracking, customize links, and set up automations for specific link clicks, all while writing the newsletter. Budget tools like MailerLite can track links, but they cannot create automations for specific links within a single campaign. A major limitation. Example number 2, automatically deleting inactive contacts. So cleaning your email list is extremely important for maintaining healthy open and click rates. So while every tool offers manual list cleaning, ActiveCampaign automates the process entirely. By contrast, budget tools like MailerLite or even tools like MailChimp lack this feature. forcing you to manage it manually. Example number 3, A/B testing in automations. So ActiveCampaign offers advanced A/B testing, allowing splits based on dates or specific conditions. For instance, if launching an online course, you can send a 20% discount to the first 100 clicking on the link and a smaller discount afterward. Tools like MailChimp or MailerLite only offer basic percentage-based splits, or some don't even offer it. So if you need flexibility and creativity to automate and test your workflows, ActiveCampaign is unmatched. And by the way, if you sign up for ActiveCampaign using my link in the description, it won't cost you anything extra, but as a thank you, I'll give you free access to my ActiveCampaign University, including my 12-page ebook, 50 to 100 daily newsletter signups, and step-by-step tutorial videos. So what's the best enterprise email marketing tool? So there is no one-size-fits-all definition for enterprise. So while companies like Netflix, for example, often build in-house tools, most businesses don't need the level of complexity. For teams of a few dozen marketers and salespeople, the focus is on finding an all-in-one platform to manage websites, CRM, email marketing, sales, and maybe customer service. So 3 tools stand out. So first, HubSpot, a great solution offering tools for everything from website creation to sales, customer service, and email marketing. Secondly, ActiveCampaign, which is a more affordable option compared to HubSpot, focused on sales, CRM, and email marketing. Still great for bigger teams to collaborate. And third, Bravo, a budget-friendly choice that combines CRM and email marketing and basic customer service tools. So what's the best email tool for e-commerce? So most email marketing tools integrate with platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce. But for the best email and SMS tools, Klaviyo and Omnisend are my top choices. Key features for e-commerce include automatic discount codes, multi-step pop-ups, and powerful automation builders to create essential automations. So while budget tools like MailerLite may work initially, they often fall short for e-commerce businesses. So who should you choose? Omnisend or Klaviyo? So if you're looking for the best, choose Klaviyo. Why? Well, it's not just 1 or 2 features that set Klaviyo apart. It's hundreds of small, impactful ones. Example 1. If you're looking for information on how to create certain e-commerce flows or automations for your business, Klaviyo provides resources detailing every single step. There are also videos showcasing each step. They've even created an entire university for this purpose. Omnisend, however, doesn't offer such a service. Example number 2. These 9 e-commerce automations likely drive 80% of your email automation results. These are the most important ones. So let's take, for example, the VIP campaign, which requires creating VIP segments, like a big spender segment, where customers who spend, for example, more than $120 in the last 300 days are targeted in that segment. So while Klaviyo supports the creation of such segments, Omnisend lacks the ability to filter contacts by revenue, and this is confirmed by their support. Example number 3. Klaviyo's reporting features are far superior to Omnisend's after reviewing both. So the bottom line, Omnisend is more affordable, particularly for businesses with large subscriber bases. So for example, at 100,000 subscribers, Klaviyo costs $500 more monthly. However, Klaviyo's 800 million funding, public company status, and larger team of 2,000 employees versus Omnisend's 200 employees result in a better product. So I would suggest Klaviyo if you're looking for the best, but don't take just my word for it. Both tools offer free plans with full features, so test their automations, pop-ups, and newsletter builders to decide for yourself. So is there a winner for the best deliverability among the tools in this video? No. All these tools have solid systems and are trusted by thousands, if not millions, of businesses. Instead, focusing solely on deliverability, choose a platform that fits your needs, features, integrations, ease of use, and pricing. So for quick deliverability tips, check out this section in the Email Marketing University. So what's the best budget email marketing tool? So for 1,000 subscribers, MailerLite's growing business plan is the best option at $15 monthly, offering automations, landing pages, and pop-ups, features missing in competitors like Beehive, Bravo, and MailChimp. At 5,000 subscribers, Flowdesk at $38 per month stands out with a fixed price, regardless of subscriber count, ideal for basic newsletters. MailerLite at $39 per month offers more advanced features, while Bento at $50 per month provides flexibility and direct support from its founder via Discord, making it a great choice for tech-savvy users. Then at 10,000 subscribers, Flowdesk remains the most budget-friendly for simple newsletters. Bravo Starter at $69 per month charges based on email volume, making it cheaper for businesses sending fewer than 100,000 emails monthly at 10,000 subscribers. It also serves as a budget enterprise tool with CRM and sales integrations. MailerLite, though, remains one of the top budget-friendly choices here. So for 50,000 subscribers, Flowdesk is unbeatable at $38 per month for simple use cases though. Then Beehive becomes a strong contender at this subscriber tier, offering features specifically designed for monetized and sponsored newsletters. MailerLite at $289 monthly continues to offer excellent value for its price. And then a quick note on annual discounts. So paying annually typically provides discounts, right? But GetResponse stands out with a 24-month plan, offering a 30% discount. So this makes GetResponse's advanced e-commerce marketing tier surprisingly affordable, packed with features like a website and pop-up builders, automation tools, and a built-in webinar platform, often priced at more than $100 per month elsewhere. So GetResponse is an excellent option for businesses needing flexibility and creativity. So what's the conclusion? So MailerLite remains the best overall budget tool, but Flowdesk, Bravo, and GetResponse might cater to specific needs, making them strong alternatives depending on your situation. So what's the best free email marketing tool? So 3 tools stand out. We have MailerLite, Klaviyo, and Substack. So MailerLite offers 1,000 subscribers and 12,000 emails per month, and automation tools like Welcome Series, all on its free plan. Klaviyo gives full access to features, but is only tailored for e-commerce, specifically Shopify users. Substack, however, is perfect for newsletter-type businesses launching newsletters, but not so much for business campaigns. For flexibility and professional features, MailerLite is the top choice. So why not the others? Some lack a forever free plan. Kit, for example, allows for up to 10,000 subscribers, but forces you to promote order newsletters via opt-in forms, which is a deal breaker for me. Others like MailChimp or HubSpot restrict automation or heavily limit emails and subscribers on the free tiers. Then who's the worst email marketing tool? So the nominees for the worst email marketing tools are MailChimp, Constant Contact, and the email marketing tool Aweber. But what makes a tool the worst? So it's not that these 3 email marketing tools I just mentioned are outright terrible. They're just fine. But that is precisely the problem. They don't stand out in any category. Not simplicity, not automation, not tools for running paid newsletters or selling sponsorship ads, enterprise features, e-commerce, free plans, or budget options. Whatever your needs, there is likely a better email marketing tool for the job. For example, need a budget option? Avoid these 3. Looking for the best free plan? Skip them too. They're average across the board, making them the worst for anyone seeking excellence. So what's the best email marketing tool if money is no object? Well, you already know MailerLite is my top pick for a budget-friendly email marketing tool. It's what I use for my online dog training business, and it offers unbeatable value for its price. But if budget isn't a concern, my ultimate go-to platform is ActiveCampaign. Its advanced automations, testing features, and robust marketing tools make it an extremely useful choice for businesses ready to scale and invest in more powerful capabilities. So are you ready to find out how you can get your first or your next 1,000 subscribers fast for your email list? Click here and I will catch you in the next one.